What's up, guys? Hey, Nate here. Hey, I just want to shoot this short little video and show you this cool tool that I started using. It's actually created by Chris Record, and he's actually part of Empower Network. He's a leader in Empower Network. And he posted on his wall yesterday about this thing he's been developing. He just released it. And so I thought I'd shoot a short little video, show you how it works, send it out. And it's actually most of the features that I use are free, and then there's a pro version or whatever. But here, let's go. Let me walk you through. So the first thing you would do is actually below this video I'll put a link, and you can actually go to download it here. But I already have it installed, and what it is a Chrome extension. So if you have Chrome, well, you should use Chrome anyways, because Chrome is the best browser in my opinion. But if you go to Tools, Extensions, you would just add this as an extension. You would just hit Load Unpacked Extension after you hit the download button or whatever. Get it to your desktop, upload it, and then what happens is when you're on Facebook, and only on Facebook, it's no other website, just on Facebook, does this bar pop up. So this first blue, or the second blue bar, and this third one right here is actually the regular Facebook, right? This is what regular Facebook looks like. But then what this bar is, this internet marketing bar, the first one that you see, the thicker one with my little picture and these links up here, that's an add-on. So this first whole bar is a Chrome extension. So if I go to Google, you'll see that bar is not there, right? So it only shows up on Facebook, and you can browse Facebook all day long, and it will stay up there. So what I want to show you is why you should start using this, because it's pretty awesome. It's actually a bunch of tools that I've paid for in the past, and it does it all in one, and most of the features that I have paid for are free in this tool. So it's like, why not share this? You guys could get use from this. And so let's go to the step one. So step one is whenever you go to a page, a group, or you could actually do a graph search. So I'll give you a couple examples. So if I go to my page, right, this is my page, it's going to automatically pop up with this section here. There you go. Get fan page UIDs. So anytime you go to a page, or anytime you go to a group, it will load up with this bar that says get fan pages. So if you just hit start, it literally is going to grab all the user IDs from my page, the unique people. So it looks like I have 45. It'll run until it's done. Now, so there's 75 comments here. So comments and likes. So here's a like. And then there's some comments. There's another like or whatever. It's gonna pull all these likes and comments, and from all the posts all the way to the existence of my page, and then it'll put them here, and then it'll only show the unique ones. And then so I can let it run until I want to stop, or I can hit just stop right now, and then it says done, right? And then I can go to my audiences, and it's gonna automatically save that right there. And then look at that. So Nate's thing, they got 41 unique IDs. And then when you download that, then you can actually head over to where's the best place? I guess the best place would just be Facebook/ads/manage, right? I don't really even know where that Facebook puts the links on their website anymore, because I just go to that website directly. And then when you go to Power Editor, this is actually you don't even have to go to Power Editor. You can just go to that audience link. That's what I was going to show you. I'll go back. You can actually do it in here too. I just go to audiences, and then you can create a custom audience, because this is perfect for running Facebook ads. You're going to create a custom audience, and then you can just hit create audience, and then from a data file, and you just downloaded that data file. Where are we? Audiences, file history. Yeah, you just hit download, and then you upload it, select user IDs right there. And now you have a custom audiences. So here's some of my custom audiences before. Look at this, smart passive income, 4,700 people. Now, but check this out. This is what I like about it. I use this tool. I use a different tool to create this custom audience. And I made another video about that on my YouTube channel. It's called Social Lead Freak. But Social Lead Freak only pulled 4,700 people. I'm using this internet marketing bar, and look at this, smart passive income, 10,000 people. So I'm this thing does a better job of pulling people, and this is unique. These are unique. So the total was like 30,000 or something. Okay, so that's that. You create these custom audiences, and then when you create an ad, here, let's see if I can create an ad for you, because you'll like this. So when I create an ad, clicks to a website. I don't really care what the website is right now. I just want to show you. So then when you go, customize all your stuff, and then on here, you can actually type in, smart passive income. So that would be the one that was saved in there. So now, like when I was using this bar, where's the bar? When I was using the bar, audiences and file history, I actually didn't upload this one yet. I would have to upload it, and then it would be available here when I create my ad. So currently the one that's in here is from the other tool that I was using. Okay, so that's step one. That's really cool. Now you can do that same thing for when you're adding groups. So internet marketing groups, right? Yes, leave page. I'm not gonna make an ad. Internet marketing groups. I'm not even sure. These are all like websites. That's interesting. I've never seen that before. Okay, there would be a group, right? This is a group. Internet marketing super friends is a group, and then I can run and grab all the UIDs from all the people in here, and this has got 7,000 members. So I can get all the user IDs from there. Okay, so that's pretty straight, and then you can do it for different terms. So now I want to show you this because this is pretty powerful. And when you actually download the software, you're gonna get better tutorials than I'm doing. I just want to give you a brief overview. So check this out. When you create, you can actually do some crazy stuff. So like people who live in like Houston, right? And then you can do people who live in Houston who like puppies. So now you got more than 1,000 people. So 7 million people like puppies. Plus, these are the people that like puppies and live in Houston. And then, like, maybe I had a local store or whatever in Houston that sold puppy chow or something. I don't know. Like, and then you can like organize it. So I only want males, and I only want, oh, you can actually search for people. So this is just really cool. You can really narrow stuff down, and then you hit start, and then you make a custom audience for that. So there's tons of stuff you can do with custom graph shares. So what I like to do sometimes is I will do like fans of what is that? Source wave. Is that not one? Fans of let's do that smart passive income thing because I know that one's in there. Okay, so fans of okay, no, actually let's go. Better example. People who like smart passive income and like this guy, right? Whatever. He's in the Big Idea Mastermind team. So you can actually combine things, and then it says fewer than 100 people. So 100 people who like Miles plus this. So you can do inclusive arguments, which is just pretty cool. So you can get really, really narrow, and they could be pages, groups, or there's tons of stuff. So I'm not going to give you the details. You can just Google awesome graph search examples, and like literally just Google awesome graph search examples, and you get more ideas for things you can search for and targeting ideas, because Facebook's feature here is amazing. Okay, so those are those tools. But there's another tool that I wanted to show you about this internet marketing bar that is pretty slick. Now, I'll use this all day long. So if you go to my page, check this out. One of my most recent posts was this. So a lot of times, people, will upload, if they create a post, they'll upload an image, and then they'll put a link in there and a little description. But when you do that, when you click the image, it pops up like this, right? And then you have to click the link. It's like a pop-up, and then you have to click the link. Or you could just click the link. But with this tool, what this tool does is it allows you to have that same type of image, but the image is the click, right? The image takes you to the website that I want. And if it loads, it's my server. This is my website, so my server's slow. Okay, so check that out. It took me to the website. The whole image. So that's pretty slick. Now, there's another feature, and you can use this all day. This is how you want to do. If you're going to do a newsfeed ad, this is the way you would want to do it. And if you know anything about this, it's actually kind of hard. You can do this with the Power Editor, but you can't do it with just the ads creator, the normal ads creator. And if you wanted to do this manually by just typing in the website, when I created an ad and type in the website, you don't get to choose what image shows up because the website might not have that image on it. The tool, the Facebook ads tool, will just pull a random image and then allow you to select those images. So this allows you to create posts on your page, and then you can promote those posts, which is really, really powerful. And the whole image is clickable, which is awesome. And so that's that feature. And then one of the pro features. Now, I actually don't even have this enabled. I haven't bought it yet. Well, I'll probably buy it soon. But one of the pro features is if you actually click, you'll see that it's not really my website. It's some -internetmarketingbar.com and then / some random link. So each link has targeting. So then you can start seeing here the link stats. Now, if you go watch here, go to Pro, and you go watch this video here, Chris is going to explain everything, why this is really powerful. But then you can actually track. Where is it? Now I just paused it. Okay, I don't want to watch that. But you can track. I post. Hey, stop this. It won't stop. Stop. Okay, so if I have I use this tool and I create these custom links, and now I can actually see which ones get the highest click-through rates on this dashboard. I can't actually show you this, but it's really, if you go back to that Pro tool and watch that video, you'll see why this is really cool. And then you can see which posts are really engaged on, and then you can actually see which links are creating conversions for you, which is awesome. And then here's what I was going to show you. So these links, this is a custom image. Now you can set this on any website. So if I created a link and sent people to the Huffington Post or whatever, and the Huffington Post would have this that would have something like this with a different ID here, and then on that Huffington Post article it would look exactly like the Huffington Post website, but technically this is like an iframed version of the Huffington Post, or for example, my website, this is an iframed version. And what that allows you to do, and they can go all day and browse the whole website that you sent them to, my website, Huffington Post, Google, whatever, wherever you're sending them to, so you can create like really socially engaged. You can link people to other people's articles, but you can have full control of what happens. So when they try to leave, you could pop up a message with your crap, or not your crap, with your link that says, "Hey, click here to learn more. Are you an entrepreneur? Click here to learn." Or you can actually pop up with an opt-in box and on any website you can pop up with an opt-in, because this is an iframe. You could do a lot of stuff. So when you create these links, you're actually you actually own the real estate, even if you don't even if you're sending them to a website you don't own. So if that makes any sense. I know I can't even show you now because I'm not a pro member. I should have been a pro member before I made this video. But I really encourage you to go watch it, because like I said, you can send people like a Huffington Post or to CNN or whatever, and you can pop up a message that specifically talks to them, that's related to the article or whatever, that collects their email or sends them to a sales page or something, even though they're technically on some CNN or Huffington Post or whatever website you send them to. You can actually pop up with a message, which is really, really powerful if you know what that means. So okay, so then there's training, and then you can actually earn money by promoting this to 25%, 50% if you're a pro. So very, very cool stuff. I just wanted to shoot this video because like I said, I paid $100 for Social Lead Freak. This tool does the same thing. And if you know anything about that Social Arsenal tool, that's like $1,000. This does pretty much the similar stuff. And another thing that this does is, where are we? You can actually friends and followers. So if you know anything about Facebook, people can start following. If it's a person, a profile, and they don't actually have a page, people can have tens of thousands, 20s of thousands of followers on their profile. They have up to 500 friends or whatever, 5,000 friends, and then anything over that is followers, and you can have an unlimited amount of followers. There was no way to get the user IDs of the followers of people until now. So now, using the Pro tool, you can actually, you would just go get the follower. You can get the friends of the people. That would be like 5,000 people max. Or you can get the followers, which would be a lot. Some people, like, David Wood or whatever, I don't even know how to see how many people are following him, but I'm following him, but he's got a lot of followers. I bet you he's got 20 or 30,000 followers, and you could pull all those user IDs really simple by using this tool. Boom, boom, and it would do the same thing. You would hit start, and it would just pull. So very, very powerful stuff. I just want to make this video and show you. I know I probably didn't do it that good of justice, actually demonstrating. But like I said, go watch the Pro video, and you're gonna see all the features. And then I showed you some of the basic ones. So that's it, guys. Download this free tool, and yeah, just download it. Why not? Why not download it? All right, guys. Peace. I will talk soon.